During these pandemic times, several people all over the world have been asking this question: is MBA in a current form relevant for the future of industry? It's an interesting question because even before pandemic, the world was changing. The industry was changing and people realized that the nature of job are going to be very different because the changes which are happening because of technology. So we are seeing onslaught of digital and the role of analytics which was playing in the way industries were transforming themselves. So to some extent, pandemic has just accelerated this trigger. In my view, MBA will continue to remain relevant. Some of the core skills in terms of how curious you are with the world, how adaptable you are. Do you have basic skills of learning to learn? Do you have a skills of managing complex teams? In our view, those are going to remain. As a part of Vision 2030, we are putting together a curriculum where digital and analytics will play a very important role. And simultaneously, our focus on what we do in a curriculum, what we do outside curriculum, will make sure that we develop this capability of learning to learn as well as certain other aspects I've talked about. First, I want to compliment you for making this decision of starting the MBA journey. I know it's not easy because in time of pandemic where there's a lot of uncertainty, I think a lot of us get frozen and we want to postpone all our decision. And I'm happy you taken this decision. I think as a society, we're going to bounce back. So when you take that decision, you're making investment in your future. You're betting on your future. At IIM Udaipur, for us, student remains central. So we've made sure that we're going to assure that the quality of experience which you would have should be comparable, if not better. I know there are going to be challenges, but collectively we'll make sure we give you a great experience. Though you're going to start with online, the way we look at this, finally campus experience remains a core part of experience at IMU, and I'm sure at some point in time we're going to get you here. So let's collectively make sure a class of 2022 remains almost like pioneering batch because you're going to go through a very different experiences, and collectively we'll make sure, and that's a commitment as an institute we're making in you.